Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk Aspen Dental. Okay, so you should use their platform to get any kind of service or any kind of treatment or not. They are legit or it's just another waste of money treatment. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand or this platform, basically this brand Aspen Dental is a very old brand. They are approx 28 years from now. It means they are very legit. Okay, but there are some issues also, and the first issue is like the pricing and the costing. When you check their reviews on Trustpilot, they have lots of reviews on Trustpilot, and you can see over here there are so many, you can say, reviews is available, like 913 reviews, and all of negative reviews, like most of the reviews are negative, like 85%. Okay, and all are complaining like their treatment is really expensive, and lots of customers are not happy with their services, and some of them are not happy with their staff. So basically it depends on location to location. As you know, Aspen Dental is available in different locations. So maybe you can say some locations staff is not too good, but this is not a big thing. When you visit on your nearest store, you know very well, every person is not you can say very bad. Okay, so basically you can visit on the platform's office and you can get the treatment. And if we talk about like expensive, yes, dental treatment is really expensive. If you go anywhere in the world, dental treatment is really expensive. Okay, so basically if we talk about you should take any treatment or not, yes, you can take a treatment, but before taking any kind of treatment you can contact or you can see the reviews on their Trustpilot profile, and you can imagine and you can ask questions related to your problem. Okay, and you can also ask why they are getting so many negative reviews on Trustpilot. They will clear each and everything for you. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other problems, you can make a comment. If you have any experience, you can also make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.